In today's video, we will discuss several important topics. You must know these things for trading. Hope you watch the video with patience. Today we will discuss some of the important things you should keep in mind while trading. If you watch this video, I can safely say that you will not waste your time. And in today's video, I will be with you, and I am an official member of FOREX BD. There are several things we should keep in mind and follow to get success easily in trading. We have already presented many of these things. Hope you follow them regularly, and today we have come up with some more things that are very important for you. So please watch the video first and then try to follow it. So without further ado, let's take a look at things. First, take profit according to the trading period. Don't close profitable trades early and avoid prolonging losing trades. This is like cheating yourself. By this, you are harming yourself unknowingly. Your trade get a little profit and you lose patience, and you worry about when it will reverse again, so you close the entry quickly, and when the market starts to go against you, and you slowly increase the SL, and hope like a fool that maybe the market will turn again shortly. By doing this, you keep increasing the stop loss after a while. Even then the market hits your SL. So what happened is that your TP is very small, but your SL is large. Means loss is huge, but profit is less. Don't increase risk with success in a few trades. Don't overtrade. When some of our entries keep coming in profit, then our confidence level increases excessively. It would be wrong to call it confidence level. In fact, our greed increases. As we know, greed and overconfidence are never good. As a few entries consistently come in favor, we are tempted to increase lots and overtrade even when our target is met. It causes us harm. Do not change the trading plan in the middle of the trade. You always set up SL and TP after taking the entry and calculate it properly and never worry about anything else. That is to say, stay away from suddenly cutting that entry or changing SL and TP, because when you take an entry, you should execute it first and be stable on a decision. Repeatedly changing decisions will do more harm than good. So at the beginning, analyze well with a fresh mind, then take an entry, and after taking the entry don't bother about it anymore. Don't use a new strategy directly on a real account. Check the success rate in the demo first. Keep records of both successful and unsuccessful trades for future reference. It's good to get in the habit of writing it down because most of the time you won't remember it. Or if you look at the history, you will not be able to understand which entry followed which strategy. So try to keep notes so that you can calculate at the end of the day how your gain rate is. Don't start trading without a fresh mind. Many of us do not care much about this. Generally, we don't pay much attention to this, but it is very important. Because in Forex, you have to work with your own technique. You must use your own technique using your own mind. But if your mind is not fresh, then you cannot work properly. You'll have mental pressure and add the pressure of fear of losing in Forex. So try to enter Forex with a fresh mind. Best time is when you wake up in the morning or at night, because your mind will be clear after waking up. It will be convenient to work then, and there is not much noise at night, so you can work well at that time. Trade with a fixed amount or fixed profit target every day. Once the target is filled, close the trade for the day. Don't go for target fill if market volatility is not good. You will have a target, but not every day you can meet that target. It will be seen that one day there will be less profit and one day there will be more profit, so it should be followed. But one day you see that there is not much movement in the market, even then you are sitting to fill your target. It is better not to fill the target that day. Because if there is no volatility in the market, how can you work? You have to see if there is volatility in the market. You have to trade by looking at the trading session. You have to trade by looking at the correlation of the currency pair, and you have to decide first which type of trader you are and work accordingly. Don't expect profit per trade in case of trade. We expect positive results from every trade we make. There is nothing wrong, since you have done analysis, so you can expect good things, but if an entry loses, you should not upset or do not do revenge trading. First of all, before entering Forex, you need to have a tendency to accept losses. In any business, one must have the courage to take risks and the tenacity to accept losses. Otherwise, you cannot see the face of success. So before taking each entry, you can expect positive results from there, but negative results should be accepted or never do angry revenge trading. Before going, I would like to ask you, if you are new to this channel or have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe immediately and click on the bell icon next to it so that you can see all the updates first.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.